Hello guys, welcome back to S2 Academy. In today's video, we are going to talk about part 3 of 22 scheduled languages of India. In this video, we are going to discuss about Urdu, Bodo and Tamil language. So let's start with Urdu. Urdu is an Indo-Aryan language that developed in the Indian subcontinent. It is closely related to Hindi in grammar and basic vocabulary, but it is distinguished by its Persian Arabic script and extensive vocabulary from Persian, Arabic and Turkish language. Urdu is the national language and lingua franca of Pakistan and one of the official language in India. So, it is derived from a language of Indo-European to the Indo-Iranian and from Indo-Iranian to the Indo-Aryan and from there to the Central Zone. So, it is written in the Perso-Arabic script in Nastaliq style from right to left. Urdu and Hindi are considered registers of the same language. So, Hindustani contains many words from Persian, Arabic and Turkish. It is one of the 22 scheduled languages of India, and it is recognized in several Indian states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana, Jammu and Kashmir and Delhi. Urdu is developed in medieval India around 12th and 13th centuries, especially during the Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire, as a result of contact between local Indian language and the Persian-speaking ruling class. The name Urdu comes from the Turkish word Ordu, meaning army or camp, reflecting its origin as a language of cultural mixing. So, it is the national identity language of Pakistan and it is rich in poetry and literature. Some famous poets include Mirza Ghalib, Allama Iqbal, Faiz Ahmad Faiz, etc. It is widely used in films, especially in Bollywood, music, media and religious teaching. Serves as a cultural bridge between South Asian communities. In Pakistan, it is the national language. In India, it is the official language in several states and it is also spoken by diaspora communities in UK, USA, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Canada, South Africa and many more. That's all about Urdu. So, now let's talk about Bodo. Bodo is a Tibeto-Burman language spoken primarily in the northeastern Indian state of Assam, particularly in the Bodoland Territorial Region, that is BTR. It is one of the 22 scheduled languages of India and holds official status in Assam. It is derived from a language family of Sino-Tibetan to the Tibeto-Burman, from Tibeto-Burman to the Bodo-Garo. It is historically used in Latin and Bengali scripts, currently written in the Devanagari script. It is one of the 22 scheduled languages in the Indian Constitution, added in 2002 92 Amendment Act. It is the official language of Assam's Bodoland Territorial Region. BTR dialects includes Western Bodo, Eastern Bodo and Southern Bodo. Bodo has ancient roots and is spoken by the Bodo people, an indigenous tribal community of Assam. It has a strong oral tradition with rich folklore, songs and stories. Bodo literature has grown significantly, especially after it was introduced as a medium of instruction at the primary level in Assam. It represents the identity, culture and tradition of the Bodo people used in education, administration, literature, media and cultural events in Bodoland. It plays a key role in preserving the indigenous knowledge and heritage of northern India. That's all about Bodo. Now let's talk about Tamil. Tamil is one of the oldest living language in the world. It is a Dravidian language predominantly spoken in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu and Union Territory of Puducherry, as well as in Sri Lanka, Singapore and among the Tamil diaspora worldwide. Tamil is one of the 22 scheduled languages of India and was declared a classical language of the Government of India in 2004. Tamil has a rich literary tradition spanning more than 2000 years, including the famous ancient text known as Sangam literature. It is one of the longest surviving classical language in the world. Tamil is used in education, administration, media, and religious practices in Tamil-speaking regions. The Tamil diaspora has spread the language to countries like Malaysia, Mauritius, South Africa, Canada, and the UK. That's all about Tamil. So, thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned for the upcoming parts of this series. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.